In this video I'm going to show you how to make a melodic techno drop like Adriatique did in these tracks. Including these elements. First we're going to start off with a kick, so pick one from the new Limbo pack. Link down below. We'll be using this one. Sounding like this. Then we're going to drop in a bass. So let's pick a preset for the pack as well. Let's use this kind of stereo bass. And work in F minor. So just create a MIDI like this. And add some groove by bumping up the third note of the scale. Giving this effect. So now we're gonna mix it. First, get rid of a bit of the high end. Make the low end mono. And a sidechain. Then we're gonna make it a bit more interesting. By automating a mod wheel. So just let it go up at the end of the bar. Like this. And then after 8 bars, we're gonna bump it up all the way. Giving this effect. So altogether the kick and bass sounds like this. Now we're gonna dive in the main lead of the drop. So again, in this Serum. With a Limbo preset. Let's use this one. And make a melodic synth. Start on the root note. Then go up 2 octaves, like we always do in Melodic Techno, to create an interesting melody. Back to the root. And then go down to the 6th note of the scale. Root and walk down the scale. So this will be the first part of the melody. And then duplicate it. Make a little variation, just to keep it interesting. Down to the 7th note of the scale. Yeah, that's perfect. So now we need to link them together. Just add a 6th one right here. Yeah, that's perfect. So now we're gonna mix it. Because it's already a really fixed synth, we only need to EQ it. To make room for the bass. Some delay. Reverb, and a sidechain. So altogether the lead sounds like this. Really dope, but we need to fill up the gaps between the melody right here and here. So let's load up another Serum and add some step sounds to it. Like this one. Right here. Just like this. Then we need to mix it, remove the low end. Then make it a bit more interesting with a pan man. It automates the panning from left to right, so every time it hits on a different spot in the stereo field. And of course some reverb and delay. And a sidechain, giving this effect. Then another Serum. And this time we're gonna go for a wubbles sound. like this to the LFO and drop it in right here, and then just only add a sidechain to it, giving this effect. Again, really add something to it as well, but it's still a bit empty, so we're gonna fill it up with a Pluck sound. Again, a new Serum, and this time we'll be using a Pluck sound, starting on the root note. Mix it with a low cut and remove some resonance right here. Push it to the sides of the stereo field. Press the sidechain. And then to make it a bit more interesting, we're gonna automate a mod wheel for 8 bars. So it slightly opens up during the drop, creating some movement, which is important in melodic techno. So together with all the synth elements, the drop sounds like this right now. We got all the main elements ready, so now we're just gonna fit it up with some ambiences. So first let's drop in this one. Take it again with this one, and just simply pitch it in key. Something like this. Then only write a sidechain to it, something like this. Just some nice stuff to glue it all a bit more together. Then we're gonna create a crash fill right here. Just a simple one. And create a low animation like this. And place it right here. Then the only thing I want to add is a vocal to it. So go to the vocal tab.
I don't want you going to. You never thought I could go so.
I think this one could work really well. Fit it to the tempo, pitch in key, and just add some reverb and delay to it.
You never thought I could go so. You never
Of course, the sidechain as well.
So low.
And place it right at the end of the drop.
Never thought I could go so low.
And we only need to arrange it a bit more. So then just duplicate the first part of the drop, turn it into a 16 bar loop, and drop in some drums right here. So pick a head loop from the pack. Fit it to the tempo. Something like this. Really groovy, really add something to it. So then I just made a quick build up with it with a Pluck. Made a step of the lead sounds, downlifter, snare build from the pack, bass, kick, and the Atmos. So that's how you make an Adriatique drop. I think it's really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well. Me saying that if you like the video, hit the like button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
I could go so low.